Hey there, my Aries collective Sun, Moon, Rising signs. How you doing? It's time for your What Do I Need read for this full moon to new moon next. So once again, I start with Aries. Why? Because I love you all so much. And you're the first sign of the zodiac, astrologically speaking. So I got my calendar here. We're looking at the 13th, right? Sunday the 13th. Through until the end of October 27th, right? So new moon is at 4:22 a.m. So figure by the 26th, right? You'll be going through that last bit of dark moon. So let's do this. Let's dive in. I know the last time I did it for full moon to new moon next, they were a little bit longer than usual. After surviving the satisfying soulmate readings and the extended, that's 24 videos in total. Go check them out. The extended reads are amazing, amazing, amazing. If I do say so myself, they were blowing my mind while I was doing them. Then we're going to keep these a little bit quicker, right? So this is a quickie. So let's have a quickie, shall we? Decks have all been blessed. We're pulling one card each from Healing with the Angels Oracle, Doreen Virtue, Daughters of the Moon Tarot, the usual suspects, Love Pack, baby, and the Whispers of Love, each for the angels, the gods, the masters, and the higher selves of all involved in the particular zodiacal collective. So let's do this. Let's give you your quickie. Now, if you're new to my channel, welcome. The What Do I Need reads are not about where am I on my path of true love? What does he think about me? What does she think about me? This is a real declarative question. What do I need, right? When you go to the divine and you say, I don't even know what's going on. Don't even tell me what's going on or how I'm doing. Just tell me, what do I need? What do I need to focus on? What do I need to look at? What do I need to do? And divination, I think, is really good for that when it's a clear declarative. So let's do this. Ready? I've been doing readings, so many readings in the past day. It's like I'm in persistent divinatory mode. It's kind of fun for my clients, actually. I'm always warmed up. You don't got to get ready if you stay ready. So my angels, please, one card in clarity for the Aries collective Sun, Moon, Rising sign from this full moon to new moon next. What do they need? What do they need? A new beginning. Really good to clear out, right? To kind of make a new start, getting ready for a new beginning at new moon. Now, doesn't mean that's going to take you 2 weeks, right, depending on when you watch this, to do that, but it's certainly to focus on that. The angels are saying there is a new beginning, and if you're in a new beginning in your life now in some way, shape, or form, then that's part of it. You're underway, right? So let's ask the gods. My gods, please, one card in clarity for the Aries collective Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus signs. What do they need for this full moon to new moon next for October 2019? Temperance. Temperance. Patience. Patience. So this new beginning might have already begun, right? And that you just need to hold on there. Balance yourself, right? Discipline. Hold your tongue. Balance your fire, which is your element of desire, will, change. I want. With your water, I feel. Take your time with that. Go slow, go slow, go slow. Patience wins the day. And we're not doing reversals on these. I did reversals with round cards for 24 readings. No, not doing it. Not feeling it. And these are really quickie overviews, right? We're going to see how much info I can get you in a relatively short amount of time. So my masters then, please, one card. You don't mind doing card tricks, do you? My masters, please, one card for the Aries collective Sun, Moon, Rising signs this full moon to new moon next October 2019. What do they need? What do they need? The one card out of the deck, true love. So there is a new beginning of true love here for you that you need to bide your time. The course of true love never did run smooth. So there are weaknesses being strengthened in you. And look, that's how it is. That's how it goes. You know, we can judge stuff as this is great or this sucks or whatever, or I'm not getting what I want or I am. So just know if you're having a rough time of this, having to be patient, right? Having to be balanced, having to be disciplined. That everything helps everything, right? That what you're doing here, this temperance with this new beginning and true love, is you are really building a foundation, right? That everything that you're doing is helping everything else, and even any delays or confusion about this between your fire and your water, right? I want to, but gas break. Even that's part of the larger plan of this. And of course, because we will be in waning phase, there can be some release on that. There can be some relief on that. But really think of it as, oh, somehow this situation is like an obstacle course. It may suck, but it's making me stronger, because true love is worth it. And whether that's true love of yourself, true love of another, have at it. It's temporary, right? Like major arcana cards are places we walk through in the journey, particularly on the path of true love, but really the wise wealth journey, you name it. We all have to bring ourselves into temperance sooner or later, but you don't got to get ready if you stay ready. Easier said than done. One more card down. Higher selves of all involved, please. That means your higher self, the higher selves of the collective Aries, Sun, Moon, Rising signs. It's a lot of head energy there. The higher selves, please, of all involved. Please, one card. Oh, that feels good. For the Aries collective, Sun, Moon, Rising signs, what do they need this new moon to full moon next for October 2019? Considering the angels say new beginning, the gods say temperance, the masters say true love. Please clarify, what do they need? Honesty is essential. You need to be honest. To be a loving person, it is important that we speak truthfully and in a loving manner. So is that the temperance? You want to rip their fucking heads off with the truth, right? Decapitation by truth, right? Just zap them, shoot them with lightning. Look, the dude's got a mask on, and she's got her back turned. Nice drop back dress. You know, that's what you have to temper here. To be honest with yourself, to be honest with others, because you got that new beginning. Ooh, I can feel that now. But that with true love conquers all in the end. Whether this is true love of yourself or true love of something or someone, something that's a little sketchy, but you know what I mean? Like for your path, true love for your work. It's about bringing fifth dimensional unconditional love into the third dimensional paradigm, hence blowing it all up. So you got to walk the high road and be honest. But remember, honesty is about balancing it with love. It's about speaking truth, but speaking truth with an open heart, compassion, kindness. Cool, cool. Well, there you go, Aries. How's that for a quickie? Under 10 minutes, yeah. Please like and subscribe. I like a quickie, really. Who doesn't when they're in the mood? And also, I'm going to say pop this in your watch later, because you might want to have another look at this come dark moon, the 3 days before new moon, or sooner. I do that. I certainly do that with readings. Of course I watch other readers. Why wouldn't I? Very inspiring, very clarifying. Yeah, I've been watching Downton Abbey on Amazon Prime. Oh, my darlings, my darlings, my darlings. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this and got a kick out of it, as well as a nice little hint on what it is that you need this waxing full moon to new moon next. Cool, cool. Thank you so much for watching. But for now, hail, farewell, and blessed be. I think I'm getting close to tarot overload. You think? Blessed be.